DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector boy.
What's good, YouTube? Gang, I boy Jambisco back with another banger reaction. Yeah, man, yeah, you know what time it is. Yo, that mafia. So we are deal today. Yo, he look like say Shano. I say Lemo. Demarco said that has entered the war again. Yeah, man, the war nice, you know. War turn up, you know. Hey, man, just say, you know, man, say, yo, blood clean, coyote, and fully bad. Can't blood clean and glim. You see, you need a veteran in the game, so man, go so a job. Shano! You man say, yo, up the Shano. That's right, no. Couple change the skin color like a chain, bro. You see, boy, yeah, man, Shano look like he now waste some time. Come like Shano say, yo, dog, we are talk to you for run out now, because I remember in a video, I say, yo, Shano, if you don't answer this, bro. You don't answer this, bro. You look like a bait. I bet us. Shana say, yo, be a dog, I want to man, you're going to talk about your light up my dark room. Eh? You're going to dark up your light room, brother. I mean, I jump in there. Yes, I say, yeah, man. Shana reply, bro. And we have to see what I'm going. You see me, I say, I'll jump in that chat, gang. Shana dropped this a couple hours ago. They think them baddest thing uptown, Demarco, this. I'm going to check the answer with my deal with that. They don't know Shana, bro. Shana very talented. You know, nobody get twisted and take Shano for no push over. I like a DB artist, you know, man. Shano a bad artist. So, if anybody can step to the mark, Shano should be able to do so. You see me? I say, but I check it out and see what I go on. Jump right now, try to all up the vibe. Gang, this is Shano, baddest thing uptown. Baddest thing uptown. Let's get it, gang.
Urban. Me program I want bird na them place. Feed us I watch and I watch. She say Marco and friend in there, they shop and a chat. So we make two nigga pull up.
What you saying? Program I want bird in 9 place? Eh? Program I want girl in 9 place? How I go on? Come here.
Yes. Feed us I watch and I watch. Urban. Me program I want bird na them place.
Ah, you see me a girl always a selling out now. Yo. We don't watch them thing there, bro. Girl always a send man saying program on burden on the place, so that's I watch them.
She said Marco and friend.
Watch the germs, them they run no. Then she just watching the chat. Make a couple nigga pull up on the back and attack. Come on. You go hear the more plays, bro.
So we make two nigga pull up on the shop and attack.
Man, so when you pull up on your ends, brother. I ain't saying nothing, we pull up 2 niggas, I send over there now.
25-star, river killers a play. We skis from the jigger just a ta-ta-ta-ta. Black cruise and not tic-tac, but cap and a tap. So hard.
Hey! Yo, Shano. We have high hopes, you know, brother. We know you're bad artist and you're bad at the word play. You see, you're coming already down, me expect good. Hey!
Yes, man, Marco, I make posts and I take posts. Keep my tech close, clip I expose. I'm my next ghost. Them no know badness. Get forced, left them yard dry.
Man say, yo, boy, we just man Marco, I make pose and I make two. What? Come on.
So, yes, man, Marco, I make posts and I take posts. Keep my tech close, clip I expose.
I make posts and I take posts. Yeah, I take posts for other people and I make posts and I call up my name. You don't know what you're doing that man I say.
I'm my next ghost. Them no know badness. Get forced, left them yard dry. I end up in.
Man say, yo, you're gonna be my next ghost. You don't know badness. I get forced. Cheese and peace. Man, I say I force if you bad, bro.
So, yes, man, Marco, I make posts and I take posts. Keep my tech close, clip I expose. I'm my next ghost. Them no know badness. Get forced, left them yard dry. I end up in a wet clothes.
Left them yard dry. I end up in a wet clothes, bro. It's not no wet t-shirt contest with girls who until this nigga. A blood, brother. Blood, I smoke you.
They want step, me glad they make a step now. Cause the C4, I got if you 10 toes, bend both. Tell them that they clip, bend do a double set, bro, trim them head low. And if you send a gunman artist to war me, a fish me calling, clip it crawling, spin.
Damn, you need to send a gunman artist for war me, bro. A fish me calling, bro. Hey! Demarco, you make him and do that, bro. Come on, bro. Go check a fire. Come here.
Been a wet clothes. Long time you want step, me glad they make a step now. Cause the C4, I got if you 10 toes, bend both. Tell them that they clip, bend do a double set, bro, trim them head low. Maxfield check.
Yeah, man.
And if you send a gunman artist to war me, a fish me calling, clip it crawling, spin quick for tarring. Look as my rifle if it's arming.
Oh, boy, a fish me calling, clip it. Hey, come on,
Man,
bro.
artist swarming. A fish me calling, clip it brawling. Spin quick for tarring. Look as my rifle if it's arming. Me make a girl trick him, said one me tick for charming. Quick this arming, she say one and I'm the dick this man. She might call it for tarring.
Man, say, see now, girl, when it's just done sucking wood for complete. Hey, dog. Oh, yeah, that's
me tick for charming. Quick this arming, she say one and cause my to a spin boat. Tell them set the clip. Bend to a double set road. Trim them head low. Maxfield cherry. And if I send a gunman artist swarming. A fish me calling, clip it brawling. Spin quick for tarring. Look as my rifle if it's arming.
Man says spin quick fit star him. Come rifle lift it, bro.
Me make a girl trick him, said one me tick for charming. Quick this arming, she say one and I'm the dick this man. She might call it.
That girl trick him, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. The girl is gonna dog come trick your dog. Hey,
me make a girl trick him, said one me tick for charming. Quick this arming, she say one and I'm the dick this man. She might call it for talking.
Girl trick him, one with tick for charm him.
Night me make them keep it off the Knox police. Me wanted vehicle off it on back evil anti F and an eagle touching. Bleeding, scotching, peachy patching, rifle screechy past him. So me bossy made me diva talk it and no word.
Yeah, we didn't hear man say some screechy part. Hey, we didn't hear lyrics. This man a chop no blood cleating.
I call it for talking. Now night me make them keep it off the Knox police. Me wanted vehicle off it on back.
9 make them keep it off in ask police. Me wanted.
Evil anti F and an eagle touching. Bleeding, scotching, peachy patching, rifle screechy past him. So me bossy made me diva talk it and no word.
Say no. Bro, you shall leave Shano in a dark room, you know. You shall make left Shano in a dark room. Why you go expose the man to the light? The man. Come on.
Auto tune make you feel like artist. Renee catch your bat in your face when she not piss.
Auto tune make you feel like artist. Renee catch your bat in your face. Hey, bro. We're not low out the wall still not that.
The tune make you feel like artist. Renee catch your bat in your face when she not piss. Better the rifle go and sing your talent now. If it not reach nowhere. Airport at the forest.
Man say yo that you not reach nowhere, brother. Airport at the forest. You see me? Hey.
Rifle go and sing your talent now. If it not reach nowhere. Airport at the forest. A gunman attack and no saltfish. No war small sprat. Big we.
A gunman you chat to, brother. Know yourself and a saltfish, brother. And a sprat and a swim around this, brother. Know yourself.
Tell the target. Shit pit your love. What a man need punani.
Man say shit pit your love. What a man need punani. Hey, Jesus Christ. We can't deal with them.
Them copy flow carbon. Shot dislocate them organ. Kobe relax yourself. Don't try run up to Jordan.
Man say Kobe relax yourself. Don't run up to Jordan, brother. Yeah, Kobe, me and Jordan will come to this war thing, brother. Me's the legend, hey, me boss boy, hey.
Channel report
skill level different.
Come on, race it, not them at peanut jet. From the
Oh boy, man say racing them peanut jet. Rather pan your bumble, my youth. Rather me in the head side, Demarco. The man say you pick pan people. Your size there, a challenger there now. You beat the little youth them. Big man there now. Hey, big man. Hey, I'll be a good.
Not them at peanut jet. From the college, my cough clap and never porridge splash Pakistan Glock load.
From the college crap. Shut. I never porridge that, brother. Brother. Hey, so if you, hey, a lot of you are probably know where they're from, but if you don't know, bro, hey, come from on the rap. Come on.
Charlie's back, mocking us through the window, pussy from it crack. I never the junk or job breaks, I eagle on the spot. And the rifle did that singer.
I never junk or jaw breaks at the eagle on the spot, brother. Hey, Shano is here, bro. Lyrics today, it's only first minute and 30 seconds. You know how much lyrics the man drop, brother?
Jesus. The pussy from it crack. I never the junk or job breaks, I eagle on the spot. And the rifle did that singer, never Travis Scott, no chop it, no keep on.
And the rifle did that singer, no Travis Scott, bro. Come on. Hey, boy, this rough.
They come from it at everybody drop. Beef you a look pussy try no set up no party shop. They cat chatting and the cat brawling.
Don't say beef you look, brother. Don't shut down no party shop, bro. This is not little snack beef, bro. And the steak and the whole cow, this, brother.
I pick up shot and a ball, boy. At it and a ratchet capture the rinse out everything before you matic jog. A man overgrown every 6 o'clock, no shop that I feel like. Can't see the general swag the boss puffy done got this shop. One thing bro that.
No dog, pull up that. Come on.
Beef you a look pussy try no set up no party shop. The cat chatting and the cat bra.
Bomba, beef you look dog, no sit on no party shop. The catty chat. See, I eat the cat, brawling.
Boy, pick up shot and a ball, boy. At it and a ratchet capture the rinse out everything before you
Hey, boy, say pick up shot and a ball, boy. At it and a ratchet dad. You should have rinse out everything before your matic job, brother. Hey, shit, bro. All tea and a ball, bro. Get go to a ball, you empty clip out anyway. Shut up, come from. You see me?
Tick jagger man overgrown every 6 o'clock. Non shop that I feel like. Can't see the general swag the boss puffy done got this shot. One
Boy, can't see the boss. Swab the down, puffy down, got the strap. Boy, hold on there.
man overgrown every
Hold on there. That make you know something weird.
shot and a ball, boy. At it and a ratchet capture the rinse out everything before you matic jagger man overgrown every 6 o'clock. Non shop that I feel like. Can't see the general swag the boss puffy done got this shot.
Oh, how the blur man say yo? Yo, on my 6 o'clock shop I feel like where you there, brother. I talk about you out, you know that, is me?
Boy, pick up shot and a ball, boy. At it and a ratchet capture the rinse out everything before you matic jagger man overgrown every 6 o'clock. Non
Come on, overgrown every 6 o'clock, brother.
shop that I feel like. Can't
shop
see
I
the
feel like.
general swag the boss puffy done got this shot. One
Can't say the general for the puffy. Hey, hold on,
gun
hold on.
that a tea, she mark and a gunman a gun back that a tea. Some
Weird. You say?
everything before you matic jagger man overgrown every 6 o'clock. Non shop that I feel like. Can't see the general swag the boss puffy done got this shot. One Jim Brown that a tea, she mark and a gunman a gun back that a tea. Some
Ooh, one Jim Brown, that's a tea. Bad. Hey, the man can what? Bad man a gun bag.
puffy done got this shot. One Jim Brown that a tea, she mark and a gunman a gun back that a tea. Some consent for the body, only thing come back a teeth. For that
Bomba, summer consent for the body, bro. Only thing come back at teeth, bro. Bomba, hey.
shit up can't believe say I'm son that
Dental identification, bro. You know how bad it is? You know, that means they can't find face. You see me, DNA, nothing. When they use them, have to use a dental history to identify your G.
Lick body in the jump and a street. When SpongeBob speak, a wee of the K make fish turn back.
Oh, my man said, listen when SpongeBob speak. You walk on your name as SpongeBob. No dog. You don't want that stick. You don't want that stick.
See, mind game I play them better, know them number 3. Chop out the rifle across my shoulder, feel for down, but I do it. I know what this auto-tune make you feel like
Artist.
Renee catch your bat in your face when she want piss. Better the rifle go and sing your talent now, it not real.
The man say better the rifle sing, brother, and you not have it. Oh God, me just start pick up the line there. Jesus Christ.
Renee catch your bat in your face when she not piss.
Piss. So we didn't catch her butt in your face when she piss, brother. Chacha, what she a do?
Better the rifle go and sing your talent now, it not.
Man say better the rifle sing, brother, but you not have it. You see me, better you make the rifle, but hey, sing, but you not had no gun. You see me?
Not reach nowhere, airport at the forest.
Airport at the forest, bro. Chacha.
A gunman attack and no saltfish, no war small sprat. Big wheel at the target, shit.
What? A gunman, this and a saltfish, bro. We no walk small sprat. A wheel at the target. What?
You love what a man need punani.
Say a shit hole of love, brother.
Them say me fuck up and me stay away. Shoot the kid him cause next month him birthday away.
Wait. You say kill him picking it? Wait, what? Hold on.
Them say me fuck up and me stay away. Shoot the kid him cause next month him birthday away. Knock it
I want to shoot the kid cause next one time birthday. I went the Demarco barn. Let me see if blood clean. Chain have some intel. On the dark for real. Demarco. When did you born it? I could see what I go and chat. Bro. It's crazy. Come in, man. When Demarco born, gang. This will take too long now. Wi-Fi. Come in. Bad. Man say man kill look at next month your birthday, man go murder you. Make you show you drop hard. The Wi-Fi move like a pussy, dog. Big man thing. The Wi-Fi move like a apps. Big man thing.
the pussy, them should have never
move like a app right now.
Tell big wheel run up. Which man have a metal pussy juice from stomach?
Yeah, man, just a while ago, listen to man just said that. He man say, which waste man have a make pussy juice off a stomach? And then burn up. Man do the whole and then me say it to him thing. Okay.
Tell big wheel run up. Which man have a metal pussy juice from stomach?
Burn up. Oh man, no man. No sir.
I'm to some boy, even an alien. I'm to them 3 musketeers. I'm to rank piece.
3 musketeers.
I'm to force right, but shot to shot goes right.
Man say force right bad. Bomb bad. Fully bad name a force right bad.
I'm to rank piece. I'm to force right, but shot to shot goes right. Pussy a sellout. Suck on the mother.
Man say yo shot ghost writer pussy a sellout. Alright, so niggas are carry feelings with Fully Bad for real then man. Cause I must say Fully Bad used to parry the whole of the dogs them. You see me? And he say left for the man must say Fully Bad a sellout. That means the man a carry feelings to read from them time there. Yo! You know what smoke without fire gang? Man say man a sellout. Man say yo dog, right tay, you beat me know you from nowhere. You did man say a sellout. That means they know each other, they in close and things went down. Come on man.
Maxi, Moby, old Bumbuckler, Jamaica, England, New York, Doppy them boy.
Yo, easy no man, Shano out here. God. Shano! Dear man, Shano has entered the war. Shano has entered the chat. You feel me, gang? What do you think about the one there, man? Eh? What do you think about on there? Big bad blow, Shano in the war, and now enter the chat, man. Yo, it's a good look. It's a good look. I don't think about the one there, gang. Yeah, Zin, one of your favorite part. Who you think will win this one between Demarco and Shano? Do you feel like Shano is more of a challenge than Fully Bad and Coyote for Demarco? Let me know, man. Do you want to see them at Sting? Yeah, that's crazy. You think it's too early? Depending on how much song the man them dropping on. You can wish they still can have a good match, cause what? We have about 4 weeks. If a man them reply like how they been doing, which is less than 24 hours, nigga, can get a good 12+ song out. Go tell this. You see me? At least about 8. You see me? But before Sting reach, you see me? Or about good 6 weeks, 6 songs. Yeah, about good 6 songs each if they go at it how they been going at it. You see me? Or the same pace between Demarco and Fully Bad. You see me? You can get some good amount of tune which will give a good show. But yeah man, gang. I don't want to think about the one in the comment section. You see me and say, man, do them thing, bro. It's a good look. It's a damn good look. And yeah, man, let me know which song you think better. Is Demarco Sting 2023? I mean 6 mil better, or this better, which is Shano Baddest thing Uptown. Let me know again. You see me? Who not bringing out the war? Who take the first round? You see? Well, is it with 6 mil and this big? Yeah. Oh, yo, Demarco is off on the blood cleat. Demarco is now on the offense. He's now on the defense this time. He's on the offense. Oh shit! So this switchy dynamic. This the dynamic you wanted to see. See Demarco on the offense instead of on the defense. Come remember, I know. Fully Bad was on defense and Coyote was on the no. Fully Bad and Coyote was on the offense. Demarco was on the defense. Now Demarco is on the offense with this Shano war. So all we say, yo, Demarco have a better tune because he's counteracting. When I was saying no, we're not this war now that he's the one firing the shots, you know. I mean, I say I'm both shot pan Shano, make Shano have to reply now. Which is Shano replying, which means Shano is on the defense. Demarco is on the attack. So we're going to see what Demarco can do on the offense. You see me? We don't like 6 mil. Did that shot, you know, man? Like, you don't take a AK and chew it over and blood wall and say, yo, anybody get it. You see me, man? Say, yo, me know say, yo, Shano, foot hype, Mr. Leng, Fully Bad, Coyote, they over the wall, you know. Me don't know, me not gonna look over there, just grab it. The blood clean, they can't put you over the wall. Over there, blood clean. You see, man, who get shot, you see? Well, yeah, man, give me no thing about the one in the comment section. My boy Jambisco. Yo, this gonna be late. You don't know. I was here now, hit and smash. Banger. Next time, take care of yourself. Each other. Love you guys. I'm out.
On the play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot a selector.